Hello, and welcome to today's video. So I'm estimating to be doing a kind of like a glamorous look. But yeah, so we're just be doing kind of like an event makeup today. So without further ado, let's get started with this glamorous eye makeup. So I'm basically just dipped into a pinky shade, and I'm really just applying that into the crease. And I'm really being sure to keeping it fully blended and dispersed and just super soft and pretty. And it's okay if you get it on your lid. That's nothing that you should be like, oh my god, you got on your lid. It is totally a-okay. We're actually going to be going in with concealer anyway and doing a half cut to it. So that's kind of how I want it blended and how it's kind of looking right now. For you of wondering what shadow I am using, this is Roxy from the Subculture palette. Now that we have that peachy color, I'm just dipping into my Juvia's palette, this one, and I'm just going in with that red shade, and I'm just packing this on the outer corner. This is going to be like a smoked out look, just to go back in with this little new brush and just kind of go out and really just kind of disperse that color. I'm going to dip back into Roxy again and just put that on the right where the edge, that red is. Go back with a little bit more red and just kind of put that where you think it's needed. I actually want to put a little bit of it just on my crease because I want you to be able to see it. Go ahead and just blend that out. So that's how we want it to be looking. Now that we have that red on, I'm just going to be going into Saturn from the Prism palette, and I'm just going to be popping that on the lid just where that red ends. Just pop it with the big fluffy brush. I'm just going to take a little bit more of this red shade and put it in the crease, just because I feel like we lost some of that red color just from all the blending we did, and I just kind of want to bring it back and have the vibrancy there. Then on a flat brush, I'm just going to be picking up a yellow shade, a neon yellow, and popping that on the inner corner. So that's kind of how our eyes are looking. Just a pretty little sunset moment here. We're just going to be taking Eden again, which is that like the first crease color that we did, and I'm just going to be placing that on the lower lash line. So now that our eyes are done right now, this is just kind of how they're looking. I'm just going to pop on some mascara, and then the next step is lashes. I'm just going to be taking my Lily lashes in Mykonos. Yeah, I follow. I reuse my lashes. We're waiting for our lashes to dry. I know I just popped some of that on. I'm just going to throw on this liquid lip. This is Kat Von D Ophelia. It is like it is the perfect nude for my skin tone. Now that our lashes are nice and tacky, let's just go ahead and pop them on.
Invincible.
The last step is just going to be throwing on a little bit of highlighter. This is Fenty Beauty's the Sandcastle and Mint Mojito. I'm just going to mix the two. The final look.